Good morning, myself Vinod Tayade, lecturer in electronics, Government Polytechnic Nasi. Today I am demonstrating interfacing of LEDs with the microcontroller 8051. For that, this is the program which is already written into the MID software tool. So for this interfacing, we are using a USB supported kit. We have used port P1 to connect the 8 LEDs, and we have a sufficient delay so it will be visible by our eyes. So to start with, we have to write this program, then save, and we can go for build and sim. So if your program is okay, it will open an emulator window. We don't have to run it into emulator this time. Only when we do the build and sim, it will generate a .hex file. So in the background, we have to open one more tool, that is PROGISP. It is a downloader which downloads the .hex file into the hardware kit. So first of all, we need to load the .hex file. You have to search it using the name of that file. This is LED for our case, and see, it is a hex file. So we have to download the hex file. So open this file and simply you have to press the auto button, because already here 89S52 microcontroller is selected, which is connected here. So when you will press the auto button, it will download the program and it will show this erase write flash verify flash successfully done, the time and the date. So the kit is connected with this USB through this cable, and it is connected through this USB supported programmer. This is the programmer, and the kit of microcontroller is connected with this programmer. This is our 89S52 microcontroller IC. You can see it here, and the port P1, this port P1, it is connected with the LEDs which are already provided on the board. So these wires are used to connect this port with the LEDs which are already present onto the. So total we have 8 LEDs, and as per the logic of our program, you can see here all the LEDs are running. So we have written a program like a ring counter, a single LED it is running, and remaining 7 remaining off. So this is how we can run LEDs using the hardware kit. From the same program, if we make some changes, that is go to the MID and change this to the 0FH, and this RL change to the swap. Just save the program, just do build and sim. The hex file will get updated automatically. So just press the auto button, again it will download the program, and now we have to see whether the change is implemented or not. So this is our kit here. Now you can see a different blinking pattern on this particular kit. So this is how you can interface the kit, and you can download the program to run the LEDs. Thank you.